What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Caleidoscope. And today we will be doing my daily filter coffee routine using a Kalita Wave pour over method. We'll be using 20 grams of coffee and 300 grams of water. The first piece of equipment that we need is a kettle. I have a Gooseneck Kettle, which makes it a lot easier to pour with. And then we need a stopwatch timer and a measuring scale, just so that we can have a consistent brew every single day. Now, the first step would be to rinse the paper filter using the hot water, as this will get rid of the papery taste. The hot water will also preheat the ceramic brewer and also the glass server that we're going to be using. This is just to ensure temperature stability throughout the brewing process. And now, making sure that the scale is turned on, I freshly ground my coffee using the Bodum coffee grinder, and now I'm going to place it inside the pre-rinsed Kalita Wave paper filter. And now we're just going to give a little bit of a tap on the side just to make sure all the coffee is evenly distributed inside the paper. Now that our scale and stopwatch is ready, let's get brewing. I'm going to start off by pouring 50 grams of water into the 20 grams of ground coffee inside and let it breathe. This method is called blooming the coffee. This allows the carbon dioxide that is in the freshly roasted coffee just to escape so that we can get a nice clean cup at the end of the brew. You can already smell the aroma that the coffee is giving out throughout the whole house. At about 45 seconds in, the bloom phase is already done, and I'm going to aim to pour 150 grams of water inside. So at this stage, I've introduced about 200 mils of water, and that's about 67% of the total brew volume that I'm going to get. And this is where we get most of the flavor of the filter coffee out. Next, we want to put in another 50 mils of water at the 1 minute and 15 second mark. Pouring water at this rate will allow us to keep the amount of water in the filter paper consistent, so that we will consistently extract all the flavors from all parts of the coffee. Oh, if only you could smell the aromas that are coming out of the filter coffee. Oh, that's so good! After pouring the 300 mils of water, we can go and take a break as we allow the coffee to finish dripping over the course of the next minute or two. Alright, we're back, and now it's about 3 minutes in, and I can see almost all the water have dripped from the filter into the vessel. Now we don't want to extract any more from the filter coffee, so I'm just going to take out the filter and put it on the side, and then we can give our filter coffee a little bit of a stir before we put it in a glass to serve. Give the coffee one last vigorous stir before you take a sip, or 2 sips. Oh my goodness, that is heaven in my mouth. And that is my daily filter coffee routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.